It's just coming down. I got hit with a storm here.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go.
It is not a nice day out today, but our plan is we're going to be putting a fence along here, and I'm gonna try to go as long as we can over there. We put a hole in there. This will be the boys' area. Girls are going back in here. So let's get to it. Cleanup day here today at our new place, which is my parents' house. So we need to clean stuff. We need to clean this, and also in here we gotta clean over in there. So this is the fun day. Glad we have this thing to do that though. Let's get to it. Hit with a storm here. Holy, like really fast. But got it all cleaned up, and now I gotta put shavings in and attempt to make a little bit of a stall here. Fun, fun. So I'm making a stall here. It is not going to be pretty, but it will be functional and it will work. And yes, once again, I am using my mini chainsaw. Please don't do this if you are not used to using chainsaws. They are an extremely dangerous thing, so I would not recommend this, but this is how I'm doing it. A new area, guys. What do you guys think? Here. You guys can go outside if you want. You guys got a chicken run too. I know there's snow down here. Okay guys, doing good. Getting lots of food ready. Just gonna get some water for you. Nice big space though. Well, I got beat up by the turkey. That's okay though, you guys got me with this wing. Anyways, chickens are in their new pen at my parents' along with the turkey and the quails. We got all those pens done. It was cold and wet, it wasn't nice, but we got them done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.